Hi, I am Jacob and I will show you how to make standing desk. It is very easy and everything you can buy in local hardware store or Home Depot. In Home Depot they can pre-cut all wood and you don't have to cut it yourself. In lumber section I will pick up 2x10, 8 footers, 3 pieces. For connection I choose metal plates because it's much easier to assemble it at home without glue or other tools. Also, don't forget screws, I used 1 1/4 inch. Now the important stuff, 3/4 black iron pipes, 4 legs and shelf under table. Now in shop, I real quick check drawings if I don't forget anything and let's start cutting wood. First in miter saw, I will cut and straight one end of the wood and then cut 4 feet length for top and for shelf 42 inches length, 3 times. After all cutting wood, I choose better side for top and mark it so I don't mess it up. Then sand it with orbital sander. I used first 100 grit and after 160 on orbital sander and then 220 grit, but I sand it by my hand. Let's read the drawing one more time and then unpack all hardware and get ready for other steps. Let's turn boards on other side and let's connect them with steel plates. I start 8 inches from sides and then center on the tabletop. After all, we can start installing flanges. For attaching table legs, in my situation I had measurement 2 1/8 from front and 1/7/8 from side according my drawings. And finally, we can start assembling the table and start putting everything together. Now I need to small notch in each corners of the wood to fit between the pipes. So I did couple marks on center of pipes. Easier way is take jigsaw and cut it square, but I used hole saw which looks much cleaner and better. Don't forget to clean pipes before installation. I was too excited to put everything together, so I totally forgot. So now is my time. I removed all stickers and then cleaned with paint thinner, which works fine. Before applying finish, I sand it one more time with 220 grit to make sure my surface is smooth. Then blow away all dust out from wood before applying finish. For finish, I use natural Danish oil. For my shelf, I have to cut centerpiece, but you might have full piece if you don't follow my drawings. I had this dimension because I'm making custom shelf for my printer. I hope somebody can use this inspiration for your desk. Stay tuned for more videos, and if you have any questions about this build, let me know in comments below. Or if you want to see the drawing, feel free to contact me. Please subscribe my channel. I will see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.